Morning from San Bernardino National Forest. We had a wonderful evening and night in the forest. And now I'm going to cook for you guys. I'll show you what I'm making for breakfast. I have my induction cooktop here. There's a little table. And I'm going to plug it into my Kodiak Energy solar generator. Turn it on. That turns this on right away. Got a special pan. These induction cooktops, they take a special pan. Just a couple seconds and that's hot. Rubbing butter in. And the eggs go right away. One egg in. This little egg holder that I got on eBay or Amazon or somewhere. And boy, that holds the eggs just really nicely. Added a little salt and yum! And what more beautiful place to enjoy some fried eggs than this. I brought some orange juice in a mason jar. My canine friends are all sacked out over here, enjoying the sunshine. So that's how you make breakfast out in the wilderness with an induction cooktop, an Inergy Kodiak solar generator, which I charged up at home with the sunshine, in my Honda Element e-camper. Love it. Okay, so I thought you'd like to see how I get everybody out of the car when we go for walks. Okay, gonna be in the snow. Get out. Precious is out. It's quite tricky to walk 3 dogs at one time. But we're getting the hang of it, huh? And Buddy, my treasure's out. Okay, you guys wanna walk? Okay, let's go. So here's the Forest Service road that we camped on last night. You can see the cars going by down there. It's not too far from the main road. And here's how it looks going the other way. I saw one group of off-road vehicle people coming down last night. They had a big trailer full of motorcycles and ATVs. And then I saw one lady walking up here today. But that's it. There's a man come walking up here right now with his dog. But all in all, it's been a very nice, quiet place. What a wonderful weekend we had in Big Bear. We're heading down now. We just went over Onyx Summit, which is 8,000 feet in elevation. We're down now to about 7,000 feet in elevation. And we are just savoring the sights and sounds and smells of the forest. We'll see you again next week. Have a great week. God bless you. Adios. Mwah. We can't forget the scripture of the day. The scripture of the day is, go away from the presence of an angry person. That's good advice, huh? Bye. See ya.